Okay. So I'll check with y'all in a little bit. Bye. It won't stop. I'm terrified. Okay. Okay. We are going to do a Q&A. If I say my ears haven't popped, will I be lying? I would y'all believe me. I don't know. Okay, so while we're waiting, I'm going to do a Q&A on my channel to see if you know. Okay, so the first question is, what is my favorite show?
Best friends ever?
No.
Wait, do I get 2 tries or how many tries?
Yeah, 2 tries.
Not that. The only other show you watch is like.
No, but it doesn't matter if I watch it or not.
I'm gonna say Jesse.
No,
What is it?
it was Liv and Maddie. Okay, so what do I hate the most?
Me? I'm just kidding.
I wouldn't hate you. Like, there's some times where you tell me you hate me. He's mean sometimes.
We say
Okay.
it to each other.
No, I don't say I hate you. I was like, ugh, Samuel, that's all I do. No, but every time you're like, Ellie, I hate you. Okay, let's just get on with it. What is my favorite car? You get 2 tries.
Favorite car, Jeep. That's easy.
No.
It is a Jeep.
No, it isn't.
You changed it?
No, it was always my favorite. You
Like,
want
is
to
it a
try?
fancy car?
I can't tell you that. We'll continue in a minute. Okay, we are back again. So he never answered what is my favorite car.
What?
Yeah, boy.
A Jeep truck?
Nope. It was a light blue Mustang. No, light blue convertible Mustang. What? Who is my celebrity crush?
I don't know.
Mom and Dad, no. Just guess. And one thing, it's not Will Restrepo.
I don't even know who Will Strebo is.
No, off of America. What?
Brie Rivera?
He's not basically a celebrity. He's
Who is it? We're going down. Alright, who is it?
Karan Brar.
I don't even know who that is.
It's what's his name? Ravi.
Oh,
With
Jesse?
Jesse and Bum.
You like him?
Okay. What is my favorite channel?
What's your favorite YouTube channel?
No. Well, yeah. Let's do that.
Is it Ben Affleck?
No. Wait, let me think. Yeah, definitely not him.
Is it like related? Is he related to Brent, or is she related to Brent?
They're twins. I gave him a TT.
Can I get 3 tries too?
Two.
Snow twins?
No.
Lucas and Marcus?
I barely even watched them. It was Brooklyn and Bailey.
I don't watch girly stuff, girl.
No, but I told him, I said, they live in Waco and I wanted to go see them.
She's a stalker.
I'm not a stalker. I'm one of their fans. Okay.
Y'all need to She is not.
So goodbye, guys. I
Wait,
will
wait, wait.
do. Wait, hold on, guys. Y'all gotta look at the clouds. It's so pretty. Shut up. And my brother is annoying right now. Bye.